Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today I will share a new strategy with you and its name is Bulldozer Strategy. The Bulldozer Strategy is one of the simplest and most effective strategy used in Forex. And it's a very useful strategy for news time. You can make a fairly good amount of profit in just 5 minutes to 10 minutes of market time. So today positive and negative side will be discussed with this strategy. By doing this, you will be able to know about the good aspect of this strategy, as well as by knowing about that bad aspect, you will be able to refrain from it and avoid your own loss. So if you want to see good strategy and analysis, follow this playlist of FOREX BD. Here are many important and good strategy of Forex, so you can be beneficial. And I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe FOREX BD's another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you. And those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. First of all, if you want to follow the strategy, you have to pay attention to the news time. You have to keep in mind the time when the effect of news will start. Now many beginners may wonder what the effect of news is or how to know it. When you enter the market, you can see that the candle suddenly become much bigger, and this is what is called the news effect. We have made a video about all this before, so you must watch that video, because from this strategy you can know the effect of news. And at the beginning I will tell you to trade in 1 minute or 5 minute time frame if you want to follow this strategy. I say again, use 1 minute or 5 minute time frame to follow this strategy. And there are two systems to apply this strategy. You can trade by following any one system. The first one is that just 1 minute before the news start, you will get to buy entry into opposite pair in the market. I say again, take 2 buy entry into opposite pair. Opposite pair means if you have one trade in Euro USD, then you will take another trade in USD CAD. In other words, if USD is in first in the pair, then USD must be in the second in the other pair. Never trade in equal pair. If you take a trade in Euro USD, then you don't trade in GBP USD, because USD is located at the end of those two pair. So these two pair are not opposite pair. And if you set up your SL 10 pips, you must set up your TP 30 pips or more than 30 pips. That means must be 1:3 profit ratio. By this strategy, you will lose one trade and you will gain one trade. So if you lost 10 pips, you will gain 30 pips. That means you will profit 20 pips. This will add a good profit to your profile. I say again, you will take 2 buy order into opposite pair and set up SL and TP by following 1:3 profit ratio. Of course, there are two things to keep in mind. The first one is take 2 entry 1 minute before the news time. That means if the news will start at 5 in the afternoon, you will take 2 entry at 4:59 PM. And second one is set up SL and TP when you take order, because if the news start before you set up SL and TP, and if it goes against you, it will not take long for your account to become zero. So of course keep this thing in mind and do trade. Another way you can trade in news time is that you will take 2 pending order of the same pair. One will be buy stop and the other one will be sell stop. Yes, you will take 1 buy stop and 1 sell stop in the same pair, and you should take entry by moving 5 pips or 10 pips from the current market, as well as set up your SL and TP at the time of entry all the time. I say again, set up SL and TP at the time of entry. You will open an entry in this system and it will be in profit, and you can earn a good amount in a short time. However, I would like to request you again and again to practice this strategy well and set up SL and TP at the time of entry. And if you get good feedback in the demo, then you will apply in real trading. If you apply this in real trading without practicing well in the demo, you will face loss. I say again, if you apply this in real trading without practicing well in demo, you will face loss. So practice properly in demo. Since you have to place a pending order in the strategy, if anyone can't place pending order, they must watch this video carefully. Here is the pending order system. So if you can't place a pending order, look at this carefully. Now let's talk about the negative side of this strategy. And many are regularly asking the FOREX BD official team how to get Forex signal. The FOREX BD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal. Understood? Then join. Hopefully, all forex traders have already understood the importance of FOREX BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. Since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. FOREX BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, FOREX BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. Now let's talk about the negative side of this strategy. Many people may know about this strategy or have practiced, but let's discuss the point or ways why you have risk. First one is this strategy is quite risky, so of course correct all the mistake by practicing in the demo first. 2. If you give a buy stop or sell stop in a pair, you will often notice that after hitting the sell stop, some profit came and hit the SL again. Then in that case you will face loss. So you should lock your profit or move SL on your entry, and of course keep a certain amount of TP. 3. One more important thing to keep in mind, suppose market hit the sell stop, after some profit comes when the market goes up again and hit the buy stop. If the market hit the buy stop SL, you will have double loss. So before taking a risk, you must lock your profit or try trailing stop. And if you don't understand the trailing stop or lock profit, then you must watch this video carefully beginning to end. 4. And the last point, of course, do practice and determine how much SL TP you will set up in each trade. Because of this strategy, determining how many pair and fixed SL and fixed TP will give confidence in trading. 5. For this strategy, you must choose one or two pair. For example, FOREX BD will suggest you Euro USD or GBP USD. And of course, you will apply this strategy keeping this issue in mind. If you don't understand this video, watch this video again and again if necessary and apply it well in the demo, keeping in mind our valuable advice given in the video. And I would like to request you create your account by FOREX BD's link. By this, you will get huge benefit. Your account will be safe, you will get VIP account without any charge, and you can verify your account without any deposit. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECM. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.